What's going on YouTube? I'm ABS Chris and I'm here to introduce to you guys our new Evolve version 1 manifold. Now before I get into all the key points and features, I'm going to go over a few questions that we get asked on social media. Starting with the first question. How does your manifold compare to the Airlift 3P? Well, that's a good question, except it's not really comparing apples to apples, and let me tell you the reason why. Airlift 3P manifold is a management system that will automatically self-adjust your air pressure and your ride height. Now, with Airlift's design, it's not that much customizable. Now, that moves on to our second question, is how does our manifold compare to other manifolds? Well, that's a great question, and let me tell you the reasons why on that. We innovated our Evolve manifold to be completely customizable to match your car or your truck's theme, whether it be color options, powder coating, if you want it polished, if you want it engraved, anything like that. It's billet, so you're able to do a lot to it. Now let's go on to the third question, is what type of manifold is it? Well, it's a 3/8 manifold that is compatible with 1/4 inch system setups and also 3/8 inch system setups on your car or truck. So now let's go ahead and head into some key points and features. So right off the back, you can tell that it is a modular system. It's broken down to about 4 different tiers, starting with the main block. Now, your main block is billet, like I said, so you could powder coat that if you wanted to, it'd be a different color. Moving up to the spacers, which are also billet, and you can get these powder coated. And then moving over to the valve cap. Now the valve cap goes over the, solenoid. Now this right here is also customizable as well. You can get it powder coated in any type of finish if you would like. From us, you can get this manifold in 2 colors, brushed and black and satin black combo. Now moving on to the top plate, you're going to notice that Evolve has a nice background and it's a regular billet finish, and you have the matte black top piece. Those you can break down to 2 different colors as well. And moving on to the billet caps with the Evolve logo on it, these you can also get powder coated as well. So some more key features you're going to notice, it is a nice wire tuck design where the wires come out the bottom, so when it's hooked up and it's mounted to a mounting plate, you can have a nice seamless installation. Now this manifold you can use for hard lines, you could use for DOT lines. Now let's talk about the fittings. You can use DOT, non-DOT, or compression fittings. Another thing that we give you is we give you 4 gauge ports in the back of the manifold, and on the sides you have 2 tank inputs, and you have 2 exhaust outputs. And now you have 1 input and 1 exhaust on one side, and 1 input and 1 exhaust on the other side. A few more key features as we take a deeper look into the manifold and how everything is you're going to know that, or something that you need to know, is the manifold you can work on yourself. Unlike other manufacturers where you have to send the manifold in for them to work on it, we give you the option to work on it yourself if anything does happen. So let's go ahead and talk about wire harness. Now, wire harness. We give you a 1-foot wire harness with pigtails at the end that you can set up to, whichever switch box you're running. Now, if you want to plug and play wire harness, we make those as well, all the way up to 20 foot. You can use them with the AVS switch boxes. You could use them with the AccuAir switch boxes. You could also use them with the Slam Specialties and many more options. Now let's move on back to the first question, where if this is compatible with the management system. If you hook this up with the E-level from AccuAir, you actually could make it work like a stage 3 kit where it'll auto level and adjust pressure on its own, but that's using a different technology with using our valve manifold. So let's go ahead and talk about warranty. Now, when you purchase the manifold, it'll automatically come with a 1-year warranty. Now you can easily upgrade to a 2-year warranty. In order to upgrade to the 2-year warranty, you're going to want to purchase 2 ABS water traps. Now that's to make sure that the Manifold is free of any moisture and debris, and that will help extend the life of your manifold. So if you guys have any other questions, please contact us directly or contact your dealer. My name's AVS Chris. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, follow us on Instagram, and stay tuned because the next video we're going to be going over the Evolve tank and tank clamps. And I'm going to explain how customizable these are. To finish off our Evolve brand, you guys have a good day. Thank you.